Sanibonani Dumilangu Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Timbanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, I'll neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumilangu Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Timbanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sima uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No, manje
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Definitely found a couple. I thought there was another couple behind them. It's two other guys. LOL. Oh, goodness. Hi, guys. How are you? I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. My name is Lisa. Would you be okay if I would ask you a couple of questions? Mm-hmm. Where are you going?
We're going to get a park. Going to get a park. That's what we look like.
We'll literally just take 5 seconds.
5 seconds, yeah. It's in your account. I get to pick this card.
5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Are you counting?
Yeah.
Is it okay, girl?
No, it's fine.
Okay, can you come this side, please? Thank you. What's your name? Please stand this side.
No, Kikarabo.
Garabo and?
Katlego.
Katlego.
Yeah.
How long have you been with Garabo?
It's not 2 years, man.
2 years.
Yeah.
Still going strong.
I'm telling you, I'm tired. I mean, yes.
Oh, still after 2 years?
Yeah, I'm honeymoon every day.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, honeymoon every day.
Oh, wow. And you? How do you feel about your man? What do you like about him?
Umuntu sharp, uyanakekelana, unothando nje.
Yeah.
That's all I can say. Umuntu unothando nje, uyazwisisana nabantu. Yabo, very understanding.
And after, like, during the 2 years, there hasn't been anything weird, cheating?
Umuntu still ke.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Ngiyazi ngoba uhleza nami, always checking on me. Uyeza give like every now and then.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, tender Sam.
Kat, do you agree with her? Like, so you trust yourself?
I don't know.
Do you trust yourself?
Mina, I'm not your team. Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, rate yourself.
Trust. Maybe 10 straight.
10.
Yeah, 10 straight.
Do you trust yourself?
I mean, I trust myself 99.9%. Yeah.
Okay, guys, let me get straight to the point. What we do on this show, right? We make couples switch phones. Right? You check her phone and she checks yours.
As a phone,
Really? Why?
Why,
Kat?
Into ngeke ubambe ifoni nomchita.
Why?
Ngeke kahle nje straight nje ayibanjwe nje. Bayazi nje nasendlini ukuthi ifoni nomchita ayibanjwe.
What happens if you bunch?
Sokuthi ngitshela into ze business, into zimali. Ngitshela kumele ngumfazi azi ukuthi unamalini kahle into enjalo yabo. Ayibanjwe.
But we're not going to check your banking app, must we looking at your WhatsApp?
Angithi manje phela kunama caseend ngitshela phela lapha kuma message nani nakuma WhatsApp khona ama caseend nani yabo.
Okay.
Manje kumelanga
If I tell you we'll ignore that, we'll just be interested in your other relationships. And if you're cheating or not.
Kuzoya ngaye ke uthini yena. Yeah.
Then you want the phone checked, ne? Karab.
Mara wangimele siya emafonini.
Oh, okay.
Wangimele siya emafonini.
Why not?
Hayi.
What if there's an entire
Ifoni
family?
personal, like ifoni like izinto zami yami.
So is your vagina?
Yeah.
Your vagina is also personal.
Yeah.
But you share it.
Kunobani.
With your man.
No, ifoni yami, like ifoni.
But you share the other thing with your man. Why can't you share your phone?
Siswami. Phone ndabe phone mina.
Wena wami sowala kanje wena.
Why, like, why is she also? Karabo.
Wenzani lapha efonini lapha?
You're also getting stressed now because
Ah, sengiyabona manje kukhona stress la. Ah, khona into stress.
Karabo.
Keep your phone.
Awuna next ko phone.
Keep your phone.
No, girl, we need your phone, please. Asking nicely. Something is off, no?
Yeah, something is off la. Something is off la.
Phone, please, girlie. Calendar off.
Maka there's nothing. Phone ge.
Thank you. We'll start with yours. Okay, passcode, please. Okay. Go to WhatsApp, no?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Type I love you.
Yimi lo. Mama wakhe. Sisi wakhe. Yeah,
Alright.
lo mngani wakhe ngiyamazi lo Thimbi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Delete that. Type I miss you.
I miss you. Okay. Yimi.
Still.
Sisi wakhe.
Okay. Delete. Type thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Akunabantu abaningi.
There's no guy that she's thanking. Nothing.
Mama khe kakhulu la.
Okay, delete. Type outside.
It's Hayi man. Ubani Sipho?
Go into the chat. Yeah, you Ruza when I was Sipho. And why is he fetching you?
Sipho.
The only Sipho ngani my sister. Bheka nje kuphela. Yeah.
No, uSipho lo ngimazi umngani wami. Yeah,
Why
umngani
were you
wami.
confused about who he is if it's
Akusuke
just a
Sipho
friend?
ohlala kule site lelo ngapha ngaseKasilam.
Go into the profile
It's
picture.
ngibheke profile picture. Uyabona wena ngiyangijwayela.
You cheated with someone he knows.
Angichithi naye umngani wami. Kanti
But the conversations, that's not your
Wena
friend.
ngiyangijwayela wena. Wena ngiyangijwayela wena. Wena ngijwayela wena.
siyakhuluma kanjalo, like siyakhuluma kanjalo.
After into ezingenzela zona.
Can we call? Do you want to call him?
Mina simfonile uSipho.
I'm gonna call Sip
Mina simfonile uSipho.
because, son, go into the number.
No.
Okay.
Wait, 3.
Don't say the number on camera.
Akunastress. Which man sengijahile ukumbiza man.
Okay. If Usibo says you're his girlfriend, what must happen?
Umngani wami Sipho.
Hi, am I speaking to Sipo? Hello? Sipo?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Sipo?
Yeah, Kisi.
Do you know Karabo?
Karabo. Yeah, I know Karabo.
What is she to you?
Karabo is my girlfriend.
No. Man Sipho mfethu. Wena we-outtime ungenza kanjani kanje outtime?
Ukhuluma nobani?
Ukhuluma noKhethi indoda. Kanti uyenza kanjani into kanje Sipho mfethu? Uyazi ukuthi mina noKarabo sesina 2 years mfethu. Enhlezi ngikutshela ngayo. We-outtime wena. Uyenza into oyenzayo nje yami.
No, uzimabhebeza. Mina ngithanda
this Jim.
uzimabhebeza.
Kahle ungijwayela kabi njalo. La ngihlangana nawe khona nje yami. Hayi into ebhaya nje yami. Hayi into ebhaya. Kahle lemntwana lo mele ngimshaye ngempama ngijwayela kabi kahle. Ngangithola.
No, imeli yakho iyengilandelela.
Ulalele wena.
Karabo?
Ngiphethe yakho iyebhizinisi nami man.
Mara nawe nje yami u-out yami. Kanti kuphi ibro code nje yami.
Akhumbula ukuthi sasesigela la ukhe washuna 1 2 3 ukhohliwe.
Awuthi manje wena ubhizinesi medium.
Angithi akhumbula wayenzani uwathandeka.
Njayami uthandeka njayami uthandeka uyazi bekuyisnack sabafowethu. Le medium le.
Kuyafana mfethu isnack.
Kahle angijwayela njayami. Kahle angijwayela njayami ngiyangithola. La ngihlangana nawe khona. Yo njayami uyisho ukuthi angihlangani nawe njayami. Ngangithola.
Ngamane siqede njengama artists bale kuyafana.
Fedi hayi singahlangani. Singahlanga. Wena wenzani
lo ukuthi week empethe. Kuyafana.
Sipho, what did you say?
Yeah. Ngikhuluma lo wani?
What did you just say, Sipho?
No, that guy's weak, man.
In bed.
Yeah, in bed everywhere, in a pocket everywhere.
How do you know? How do you know? How do you know he's weak in bed?
Because I've been growing up with that guy, but he's making nonsense for me all this time.
Okay, thank you, Sipho. Bye.
Yeah, tell him it's a revenge.
Revenge. Okay, thank you.
Yo, let's link
You weak in bed.
Cabang.
Imagine.
Very weak even.
Is he? I don't like cheaters being quiet because you just cheated.
Yes, ne. Sorry ne, mara like ngizokutshela iqiniso ngoba like ekuqaleni angifuni ukumzwisa ubuhlungu ne, that's why like I like bengingafuni ukuthi find out this way but kwenzakele. Hayi bhuti wami mina bengisabe like nekusahoni.
Wait, no, wait, can't.
Okay, awutongishapa then khotlo etsagalang like utlo ena eng awutongishapa.
Calm down, Kat.
Musa akusawurata awunketsetse nix mus awunketsetse nix uphanda in 200 rand imali akusi nix lento le. No uyazi unginikeza imali nomfana lo yana I get almost 1000 rand 200 rand 2000 rand bese yena uzongiphi 200 rand. No, you can stay there bhuti mina ngisazingeni like honestly.
Why did you stay for 2 years then with
obviously ngibengafuni ukuthi ngimzwise ubuhlungu bekumele ngenze kanjani ngoba ngingafuni ukumzwisa ubuhlungu.
You were not supposed to cheat?
No, what am I supposed to do? Ngihlale naye. Akafuni uyafasisa lo muntu akafuni ukuthi sihlukane. So kumele ngenze kanjani?
Really?
Yeah,
why don't you accept when she's breaking up with you?
Lo mntwana lo ngijwayela kabi ngimenzela into eningi lo mntwana lo ngeke sohlukana nje. Emfethi ngiyaphanda ngiyagasa mtini every time. Ngiyagasa mtini.
200 yenza ngayo. Ayithengi nix le mali leyo ayithengi ngisho nempahla like ngiphuma iskip esi1 kuphelile
kumele ngenze you can do lashes.
No data I use iWi-Fi angisendini then it's fine mara i200 rand
akusini earrings.
No ubhuti wami nje makasihlale ayofuna ama type wakhe alingana naye azomela le 200 rand mina ngisayingene yakho bhuti wami.
Cat.
Give me the phone.
We're gonna okay. We're gonna check your phone, ne?
Angisafuni ukuthi check.
We have to, Cat.
Ngishitele umuntu kanti sesenzani
Please hold, Lamini. Kaloku we need to check if you're cheating as well.
Akuna stress ithi sibheke mina sengifuna ukuhamba kahle kahle.
Are you done? Is the relationship over?
It's over. Mntwana ongappreciate.
She doesn't appreciate. She doesn't appreciate. Here you go.
No, it's fine. You can go put on vele nama ngisayingene yakho.
Okay. Type I love you. I agree. That's you, must ne?
Yeah, him lo. Yeah, mama okay. Oh, this one.
Okay. Delete type I miss you.
Him futhi. Yeah, cousin yakhe. Yeah. That's all.
Okay, delete type babe.
Him futhi.
Yeah, it's fine, okay. Okay, delete type pregnant. Oh, he's not cheating on you. But okay, type thank you. Let's see who's doing favors. Karabo, that's you, Mas, again.
Yeah, him.
Okay, delete. Type morning after pill. At least you guys are being responsible. Delete. Type pregnant. No one. There's nothing there. Hey, oh, I feel bad now. You don't feel bad?
Hey, Mina, I don't feel bad.
Oh, you are so rude.
Mina, I don't feel bad about that.
He's been literally loyal to you. You don't feel bad?
I'm like, I got another thing.
Why did you date him in the first place?
I dated him because angizibengidinga umuntu ongizoqhuba isikhathi naye.
Oh, wow.
Like bengizobona phambili ukuthi kuba njani phambili manje ngiyabona ukuthi kuyaleka ayikho into engizoyenza hamba ufuna omunye umuntu ngizoyenzani mina ngizoyenzani angeke sifoste into esabahle ngohlakana ebathi uhlakana rethe jwang uzongenzani
Ukubona manje.
ini uzongenzani ngeke bhuti angishaye. There's nothing that you're gonna gain. It's over, bruh. It's over. Angeke isahlangana le ndaba le iphelile.
Okay.
Akuphelanga next.
Cat, what do you mean it's over?
Umntwana ungijwayela.
Ungalahleki, Cat.
Umntwana lo ngijwayela kabi.
Ungalahleki.
Umntwana ngimenze into eningi lo mntwana lo. 2 years.
I understand, but kaloku it's over now.
Ngijwayela kabi ngizombamba lo mntwana lo ngingahlangani naye nizohamba amakhamera la wayahamba manje. Ungahlangani naye.
Yima, so you don't want the relationship to be over?
Relationship out there. Someone who's gonna appreciate it. I can't not go appreciate it. Then it's over. It's over. Like
wasana wena wasana wena
Cat, calm down.
Wena Tomo wena
Cat.
Wena yo
Cat, please calm down. Cat, it's over. Can you accept that? It's over.
Ayikapheli ngizohlangana naye. Ungijwayela kabi mntwana ngimenze into eningi mntwana lo. Ayipheli kahle kahle.
You can always invest in someone else that loves you.
Mntwana lo ngiyamncanya lo mntwana lo. Ngeke azongenza kanje.
Cat.
Ngeke azongenza kanje lo mntwana
But
lo.
she's leaving.
Karabo.
But also she's not a nice person, so maybe you find a nice girl.
Mara inkinga ukuthi nginvest okuningi yena ngiyamncanya lo mntwana lo. Ngiyamncanya.
But what are you going to do? Because akakufuni.
Aish. Karabo.
Cat, it's fine.
Aish.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
Ngimoshele nawe.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I ruined your day. I'm sorry. But Vena, she was breaking up with you throughout the relationship anyway before I came. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Cat. I apologize. Right? Alright, CMTV viewers, it has absolutely gone bananas. My name is Lisa Sirame. Please do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later. Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Don't be yase pebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Simfonelo sma. Uzoshutha akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
Hi, princess. What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?